This video will provide an overview of a new workflows feature for Oasys 21, EuroNCAP VTC quality criteria. At Oasys, we have been working on new software features to support the upcoming virtual testing protocols, including the EuroNCAP Virtual Far-Side Simulation and Assessment Protocol. The new features to support virtual testing protocols are being built into the workflows framework introduced in Oasys 20. For more details on workflows, watch our Workflows Burst video or the 3-part webinar series. EuroNCAP VTC quality criteria is a new, convenient tool for assessing the quality criteria specified in section 6.1 of the EuroNCAP VTC protocol. There are 5 quality checks that have pass and fail criteria. For example, the maximum hourglass energy must be less than 10% of the maximum internal energy of the model. There are also 7 values that must be monitored, such as the maximum added mass for the welded dummy, seat, and sled. You can set up the tool in Primer and then perform the quality criteria checks in THIS. You can also automate the process in Reporter. First, let's look at Setup in Primer. Reading your model, then in the Tools menu, click on Workflows and then EuroNCAP VTC Quality Criteria. Once the Quality Criteria Primer GUI has opened up, we need to answer some questions in relation to units. Firstly, using the drop-down as provided, select the unit system of your model, then select the display units for time, energy and displacement that will appear on the graph axes in THIS. Next, the quality criteria has checks that need information on the whole model, the dummy and seat parts. So, press Select on Dummy Parts by Include and either screen pick the include file containing the dummy or use the selection menu in the top right and press Apply. Then, select the database history node matching the head node of the dummy. Then the database history node for the H point of the dummy. Then the B pillar history node of the model. And finally, select the include file containing the seat parts. The last thing to do is to save the workflow data to a JSON file, or you can save it to your model and then write the keyword file from Primer. Once you have done this, the next time you open up the workflow in Primer, your data will be automatically pre-populated. Once the input is saved, it is now ready for use in the post-processor as soon as your LS-DYNA results are ready. You can open THIS directly from Primer by clicking on Post in the top right and then Start THIS. Once in THIS, in the Tools menu, click on Workflows and then EuroNCAP VTC Quality Criteria. The tool will immediately begin to run, performing all the required quality checks. Once finished, the 5 quality checks and the 7 monitored values are produced and displayed in the summary table, which can now be seen as shown. Full details on understanding each graph and the results can be found in our documentation, which can easily be found by clicking on this question mark here. Finally, you can write out the results to a CSV file by pressing the blue Write Results button. We hope this tool helps your simulations meet the quality criteria specified by the EuroNCAP VTC protocol. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us. Thank you.